well-established leader in the national market, Triman has been designing high-performance machinery for aggregates and concrete operations for decades, from single machines to large modular multi-purpose facilities. With a strong international presence, Triman Machinery has managed to make a place for itself in high-growth emerging markets. Just let us show you what we can do for you. Our customers' profitability and efficiency requirements are ever increasing. And so too is our offer for advanced technical solutions. Because we know choosing is not easy, Triman has set up its own commercial network with specialist technicians able to understand your needs and willing to look for the best way forward for your operation, both now and in the future. We like the personal touch from one professional to another. Selling equipment is never our ultimate aim. Above all, we want to be sure that we offer each customer a solid project which can guarantee the profitability of their plant. The technical office designs all Triman equipment, be that individual equipment or complex facilities comprising the entire workflow. Each order first goes through the study stage. A team of engineers, draftsmen, software designers and analysts study your facility's present and future needs. In so doing, they rely on databases with real data collected from facilities fitted out by Triman throughout their 25-year history. Combining this data with lab tests and computer simulations, we can identify the critical points in your workflow and understand how to overcome them. In the laboratory, we analyze the physical properties of each type of rock. The abrasion tester allows us to measure the abradability and crushability index of the material to be processed. Based on the data obtained, a decision is made as to the type of Triman machinery that suits your facility best. Combined rock and machinery testing then takes place until optimal results are achieved. Whether your project is for a straightforward installation or for entire turnkey plants, once it starts to take shape, we propose the most cost-effective model. Thanks to this prior study, you will be provided with all the data and technical arguments you need to make the right choice. Our technical office has produced developments which are today a benchmark in terms of quality and profitability in the sector. That is surely why national research and development institutions have chosen Triman's technical office as a center for developing new aggregate processing equipment, environmentally friendly technologies, or innovation in machinery and productive processes. You receive all this added value when you invest in Triman equipment. Our product quality must be an assurance rather than stand in the way of your plant's ultimate profitability. National leader, thanks to the investment in our own facilities, Triman can compete with the best international operators in terms of quality, response time and customer satisfaction at far more competitive operating costs than the big international names. With 4 plants in operation, we are able to reliably tackle the most demanding projects. The Mieres plant sets us above the rest of our competitors. Triman is the only national company which brings together foundry and manufacturing our own machinery. We do not depend on external suppliers, resulting in an improvement in costs and manufacturing times. The parts and spares manufactured at Mieres are machined at the plant itself, in our recently renovated facilities. Laredo is Triman's most modern factory. It was commissioned in 2008 and is token of the company's strive to become one of the main international suppliers of aggregate processing machinery. It is a fully automated plant in charge of producing all structures, conveyor belts and supports necessary to reliably install the most ambitious projects. This is where most Triman equipment components are produced. The factory therefore boasts the most modern steel and metal cutting, folding, welding and tooling machinery. Laredo also has a fully automated silo production line. Thanks to this factory, we have been able to increase our production, lower costs, diversify products and, above all, no longer depend on external suppliers, allowing us to provide our customers with a more rapid response. The components for all equipment are assembled and machined at Alsasua. Once finished, the equipment must undergo the final quality controls and only then will it be ready to be installed. Sasua factory boasts the necessary equipment to produce the heavy-duty Triman machinery. While work is being carried out in Mieres and Laredo, the Triman Electrical Workshop prepares the entire electrical and hydraulic installation and the plant management software for each new project. Their personnel are in charge of producing and installing all the mechanisms and PLCs needed by state-of-the-art plants. No one is more aware than us that the sale of a machine is just the starting point. We want to build a relation of trust with you, the customer. As manufacturers, not only do we provide you with state-of-the-art machinery, but we design action protocols to help optimize assembly and replacement times or schedule outages without limiting production. Investing in Triman Original spares is the best guarantee that your plant will reach optimal performance throughout its working life. When the time comes, let us advise you how to revamp or increase production from obsolete machinery with new ideas. The team of professionals at Triman is your guarantee. A solid present and a guarantee for the future. That is our commitment and what Triman can offer you. A step forward in the right direction. Triman is not just a leader in the national aggregate processing machinery market. Triman is, when all is said and done, the partner to help you situate your operation in an advantageous position within an increasingly competitive market.